horizon, defenders creation. How long will we live in this own polluted world? How long will we stand? The shore is too near to reach. Wake up, man, from deadly sleep. Open up your eyes. Nature's given us every need. Use them wisely before it's too late. Turn around, oh man, the nature to love. Think twice and cast your pride away. Renew your thoughts with renewable energy. Inspiration to generations more to come. The sun, wind and water, the nature has showered the gift that the man received, that both his ends will meet. Energy for the future to come, not to live in the dark. Leave the earth a better one, more and more than what we had. The wandering gifts will last forever. It's a great blessing for one and all. Nature's decorum will be restored. Peace of mind, that is all what we want. Nature will live again, free from pollution. Repeat not the same again, or else the ruins will go on. Wake up, man, from deadly sleep. Open up your eyes. Nature's given us every need. Use them wisely before it's too late.